What's up guys, it's Adam here, and today I want to talk to you about 3 of the best VPNs for Greece in terms of speed, streaming and privacy. So as you may already know, the internet in Greece is slow. That's due to ISPs intentionally throttling your speed in an attempt to limit the use of illegal torrenting, gambling and streaming services. Using a VPN gives you access to a world of online content without compromising your speed. Plus, it protects your data from spies and hackers with advanced privacy and security features. That's a big benefit as cybercrime is on the rise in Greece. So I've gone ahead and tested more than 30 VPNs for reliability, privacy and speed to find 3 of the best to use in Greece. So stay tuned as we go through them one by one. Now, onto the first one, which is ExpressVPN. This is the best VPN for Greece for many reasons. For one thing, Express is the fastest VPN I've tested, and I'm able to stream my favourite shows and movies at breakneck speeds using one of over 3,000 servers in 90 countries worldwide. I've always found their VPN servers in Greece to be very reliable, and I never have any trouble accessing local TV like Blue Sky TV from outside of Greece. Likewise, torrenting is also super fast with ExpressVPN. They offer unlimited bandwidth and allow P2P activity on all servers to download large files without delay. More importantly, ExpressVPN uses high-level encryption to keep you safe online, and trusted server technology ensures your data is never stored on hard disk drives. RAM-only servers mean all your online activity gets wiped clean each time the server reboots. Together with a strict no-logs policy, I felt sure my personal identifiable information would never be collected or shared. You also get DNS, IP and WebRTC leak protection and a kill switch to prevent accidental data and location exposure if the VPN connection fails. And after my testing, I discovered it works perfectly. My IP address remained hidden during the entire time. I also loved that ExpressVPN has a straightforward design which makes it very easy to install and set up. I was able to install it on my Fire Stick without problems. If you have any issues, the VPN offers 24/7 live chat support. I also found the FAQs and setup guides on its website extremely helpful. With one subscription, you can connect up to 5 devices simultaneously, so you can connect all of your gadgets or share ExpressVPN with family and friends. So what about its downsides? Well, if I have to think of one, then it would be that ExpressVPN's asking price is slightly higher than the others. However, you can get a special discount which I'll put in the description area below so you can check that out. Personally, I'd recommend going for the 15-month plan as it's the most affordable option. And you can try ExpressVPN with confidence as it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not happy with it for any reason, you can just contact their live chat support to cancel your account and get your money back. Now, onto my second recommendation, which would be NordVPN. So I would describe NordVPN as a top-rated provider that offers steep discounts to suit small budgets. This doesn't mean it scrimps on service though. It has one of the largest VPN networks out there with over 5,200 servers, including 11 in Greece. NordVPN is another service with strong unblocking capabilities, so you'll be able to watch your favourite shows on Netflix, Hulu and other channels with ease. They're known for their strong security and privacy features. You will find all the essential features such as 256-bit encryption, perfect forward secrecy and a kill switch. There's also DNS, WebRTC and IPv6 leak protection, automatic Wi-Fi protection and servers designed for specific tasks such as P2P and double VPN. NordVPN keeps no logs whatsoever, so you don't have to worry about anyone else snooping in on your online activities. You can download apps for Mac OS, Linux, Windows, iOS and Android. 6 connections are permitted at once under each plan, and if you run into any problems, NordVPN also has 24/7 live chat customer support, so help is always at hand. So overall, NordVPN is an ideal low-cost VPN for Greece. It boasts a large server network, tight security and the ability to access streaming sites. Plans include a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you don't have to worry about losing money if you're not happy. And now it's time for my best budget pick, which is Surfshark. So Surfshark is fairly new to the VPN scene, but it's proving itself a fierce competitor. They offer fast speeds and are able to easily unblock popular sites such as Netflix and Hulu. Its growing network of more than 800 servers in over 50 countries includes options in Greece. Surfshark more than lives up to expectations when it comes to privacy and security. Aside from 256-bit encryption, perfect forward secrecy, leak protection and a kill switch, it provides automatic Wi-Fi protection and a double VPN option. Of course, the best thing about Surfshark is that they are the most affordable premium VPN that I've tested that offers solid performance. Unlike most other premium VPNs, they allow an unlimited number of simultaneous connections, so you can use Surfshark on as many devices as you want and share it with friends and family. Like the other two VPNs I mentioned, Surfshark also offers 24/7 live chat support and a 30-day money-back guarantee in case you're not happy with it. So there you have it, 3 of the best VPNs that you can use in Greece. Now, before I end this video, I would like to take the time to answer some of the most frequently asked questions that I get about this topic. First of all, can you use a free VPN in Greece? Well, free VPNs are very easy to find, but we advise using against them. These services typically offer a tiny selection of servers in a few locations, so you're unlikely to find one in the location you need. Plus, they usually have a ton of users accessing those servers, so you'll have to put up with wait times. And once you're up and running, you may be dealing with slow, unreliable connections. Unfortunately, there's more bad news when it comes to free VPNs. These providers need to have some sort of profitable business model, and that typically involves serving you a ton of ads or profiting off your data, or both. For example, they might track which websites you visit and sell your profile to third parties. Security is typically weak, and some free VPNs don't encrypt your traffic at all. Overall, you're better off spending a little each month on a reputable VPN that gives you peace of mind. Second question, are VPNs legal in Greece? Although the Greek government is pushing for stricter internet censorship via site blocking, VPNs remain legal in Greece, so you have no worries there. And the third question is, what are the online privacy laws like in Greece? Well, online privacy laws in Greece aren't as good as they used to be. Even though the processing of personal data laws previously protected all communications, Greek courts recently ruled that online communications are no longer protected. Unfortunately, this means Greek authorities can now legally monitor all internet traffic in the country. So having a VPN is even more important than ever if you want your browsing and personal information to remain private. So if you are interested in any of the VPNs I've mentioned, I'll put special discount links that I was able to get for you guys in the description area below so that you can save some extra money. If you've got any questions, leave a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found my review helpful, and subscribe to my channel if you want to stay up to date on the latest VPNs.